Welcome to Ask Stephen, a family law tutorial. Today's question comes from Gresham. Question is this: spouse and writer were divorced. In the divorce decree, husband is allocated the student loans to pay. Husband then is incarcerated and hasn't made any payment on the loans. The creditors are now coming after the ex-wife. Ex-husband is now out of jail and is working. What can wife do? My name is Stephen Leskin. I am a divorce and family law attorney in Portland. I've been practicing here since 1992. You can find me at www.leskinlaw.com. If you like what you're hearing, like, subscribe, or comment below. We value your engagement. New postings are made every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at about 10 o'clock. So the former couple have a divorce decree, and in the divorce decree, the debt, the writer doesn't say whose debt it is, doesn't really matter. That debt is allocated to the husband to pay. Husband hasn't made any payments, he's been incarcerated. And what can the ex-wife do? So ex-wife has really two options. She can go back to court to get what's called a motion to enforce a judgment. That will bring the ex-husband back into court. The judge will say you need to pay, and maybe the ex-husband will pay or he won't pay. But the motion to enforce is just the court's order, again, to pay. If husband was incarcerated and he can't pay, that's a defense. You can't do the impossible. On the second option is the ex-spouse can file a motion for contempt, which says you violated a court order, and there are financial sanctions and other sanctions that may be available as a contempt of court, including possibly incarceration, but that rarely, if ever, happens on a failure to pay a debt from a judgment. Again, in a contempt action, impossibility will be a defense, and the ex-wife will still continue to need to pay the creditors to keep her credit protected. If husband is working, ex-wife can file garnishment papers on his salary. If he's got a bank account, she can garnish the bank account. She already has the judgment, and she can do it just with the existing judgment. Likely she would need assistance of an attorney to do the garnishment proceedings. Again, my name is Stephen Leskin. I am a divorce attorney in Portland, Oregon. We welcome your comments and feedback. New postings are made every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you.